If you didn't go to the gym today, remember this. You let your weakness win again. Let's be real. The gym is not a trend, not a hobby, and not just a place to build muscles. The gym is a necessity, just like breathing, just like working hard, just like caring about your future. You're between 18 and 30. This is the age where you either build yourself strong or laziness slowly breaks you down. Life in the USA moves fast. The competition is brutal. Nobody waits for you here. If you're physically weak and mentally drained, the system will crush you and move on. The gym doesn't just build muscles, it builds discipline, focus, and the confidence this world tries to take away from you. Think about that moment when you're lifting weights and your hands start shaking on the last rep. That moment is a lesson for real life. Life feels exactly the same. When everything gets hard, when quitting feels easier. The one who stands their ground is the one who moves forward. The gym teaches you how to fight, not how to give up. You say you don't have time. The truth is, it's not a priority. You say you're tired. The truth is, your comfort zone has you trapped. Every day you skip the gym, you betray the stronger version of yourself. And every day you show up, even with zero motivation, you keep a promise to yourself. Those promises are what change lives. Sweating in the gym is better than crying in the streets. Feeling pain in the gym is better than feeling humiliation in life. When you see yourself changing in the mirror, it's not just your body that changes. Your walk changes. The way you talk changes. Your mindset changes. You stop making weak decisions because you've trained yourself to be strong. Remember this, no one is coming to save you. Motivation won't always be there. Life won't get easier. But the gym is the one place where you can improve yourself every single day, silently, without excuses. This is your battle, and the gym is your weapon. If these words lit something inside you, take action today. Subscribe to Motivera Spark, because here we don't just talk motivation. We ignite the fire that transforms you. Move forward, get stronger, because your life needs a stronger you.